Alright, so this is not working. Even I try the code, that it gives me the same error. And I put the data into the geodatabase. So, okay, we will do tutorial for street address geocoding. So we will start with the data from here, but we will include records that have a street address and are only in Allegheny County, which includes Pittsburgh. I'm going to close everything first. Alright, so, and then Allegheny County is the local market for the arts event, and more detailed location data on attendees is desirable for marketing there. So we will geocode by street address to place a unique point on the map for each attendee in the county. Okay. And we will use the same workflow as with zip code matching build a locator, but this time we will use street center lines as the reference data, geocode the source data of survey respondents, and rematch some of the unmatched records. The same way, we will bring everything back. Let's see, where's the window? Okay. It's the second one. Okay, so now we will see that there are 92,430 block long street segments, and then in the map of Allegheny County. And we will search for and open the Create Address Locator tool again. So now we will, okay, and go to Analysis, okay. Alright, so create address locator. Alright, and we have a create address locator tool, and complete the two parameters. So know that the locator we are building is called a dual range locator. That we will select that dual range locator, and because the address style is dual ranges, the data records of this address style have the beginning and ending house number for both sides of the street, both the even and odd numbered sides. So that's why it's called dual range locator. And the tool automatically finds all but one of the essential fields needed for geocoding, indicated by the star sign for the reference data. Select full name for street name. Scroll down in the field map to see that the tools find zip L and zip R, zip left and zip right, zip codes on the left and the right side of each street segment. And streets on the borders of zip codes have different zip codes, hence the left and right zip code fields. Street names are unique in zip codes and in cities. Allegheny County has many cities, and several of these cities may have streets with the same street name and street numbers, such as 100 Main Street. Including a zip code in the matching process guarantees that we will find the correct main street and location. So address locator style, it will be the dual range, which is this one, and reference data, it will be streets, and the row, it will be primary table. And everything from right, we will have PRM, PFR mad, PTO add, Oh no, PT. Oh, add, okay. And then to the left, none. Oh, no, from right. No. Okay, feature ID. Feature ID, let's just put it, where is the feature ID? Object ID, okay. From left, I don't see from left. Okay, to right. From left, I don't know. Let's do from left to right. Okay, from left, from to right. So the first one is to right. To right is this one. To right, it will be right to, right from add. Okay, and then to right. I think it will be to right. Right to add. Okay, right to add. And then if from left is from left from add, and then left to add. Okay, so this one, okay, and then this one will be right to add. There. So street full name, street full name, street full name. Okay, and then we have a prefix direction none, and then prefix type none. Okay, and then prefix type. Okay, so we match everything and we will run it. Okay, click run. Okay, parameter is missing. Which one is missing? Let's find it again. Okay, all right, we have these. Okay, street full name. Okay, street name, street full name, street name, street full name, street name. Okay, street name right here. Street name, it will be full name. Okay, and finally we can click run. So now it's creating. It might take a little bit. So the tool automatically finds but one of the essential geocode. We have to put the name there, but I think I messed up. But hopefully it runs. To the left, to the right, yep. From add left. Okay, if I move up, yep, it's gonna take some time to run. Hopefully nothing wrong. So because if something wrong and it's difficult to rematch, okay, if it's difficult to rematch, you're gonna take some time to figure it out. Alright, and once we run, and we can close it out, and then we will geocode attendee data by the street. So we still have the attendee Allegheny County here, and we can just right click on it, click geocode address. I think the same way. Okay, we did it. Good job. Okay, and so I'm gonna close it out and open this tool. We want the tool back again. So it's geocode address, and it's not there. Okay, and then I will click the CSV file, and for input address locator, it will be streets address locator. It will be this one, and we will do is multi-field address. Okay, address, and then here it will be zip code. Output feature class. I will just say, yeah, we put it into our geodatabase attendees, and then streets. Okay, click run. That we run the tool. A total of 861 of 932 records are matched for a match rate of 92.38%. Note that ArcGIS software developers often tweaked the geocoding algorithms with new software releases, so that we match rate may be slightly different higher. So yeah, it could be different now. Let's open attribute table, and we will see. Okay, those are the unmatched one. Match, okay, score. Let's just do ascending. Whoopsies, a lot of not. So we can say the matched one and not matched one, but matched. And then click no for restart and close geoprocessing. And we will symbolize with a circle by 3 circle. We will do the same thing again. Alright, circle 3. And then symbology 5. Well, I don't want to spend time to do symbology, okay? We will turn off streets. We will turn off streets, okay? Close this out. Turn off streets and then change the base map to streets and zoom to Pittsburgh. Okay. Go back to map and go back to streets map, and then I will zoom to Pittsburgh. And there are obvious cluster attendees areas that marketers would turn attention to with billboards, melons, and so on. And then we will add the streets. There are only 67 unmatched addresses to complete. The number may be slightly different, so the version, of course, I have different now. So the match is high enough now for marketing decision making, but for practice, we attempt to rematch 9 unmatched records. So the research for fixing unmatched addresses is already done and made available in the following table. So the address for the survey data command is the result of research using the U.S. Post Office zip code lookup web page, an online mapping website, and the Tiger Streets attribute table. And rematch is the action determined to be taken as we go through the here, and we will use the following workflow and that table below as here as a reference. We will add a tiger map attribute, rebuild the locator to take into the data versions. So we will proceed on a case-by-case basis with the rematching tool to skip bad addresses and added address data or pick from the map. We will open street attribute table and sort ascending by full name. The streets attribute, okay, street open attribute table, and then sort ascending by full name. Okay, ascending by full name. And this scroll to find Bayard Road with a B, Bayard Road. Okay, Bayard Road. So we went through numbers in 16, 17, Bayard with a B. First Street, okay. Well, that's a hill a lot. Oh my god. And it's reasonable to modify the L from add field value from 49 to 1 and keep the value 99 to left to add for the same row, and right from add and right to add fields and use this value 2 and 98 respectively. Yard Road. Bayard Road. Okay, I think I might have to just search for it. It's just a lot. Okay, 2nd Street. Okay. Scroll to find ascending. I did ascending. What the hell? Okay, here is C. Okay, I can just, it's almost there.